Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it was a mess. I remember when it happened. I mean, I was only like, hey, good luck everybody except for Sake. Let's go. I never say good luck to Jason unless I'm Jason. He might get his revenge on this one because you know he's gonna come to the main house so fast. Let's get out of here. Oh my god, there's not even a shotgun? Bro, there's no shotgun in the kitchen? What the fuck? What are we talking about over here, guys? Bro, it spawned everybody at the main house. That's wild. Like, the whole squad. I don't even have a weapon, and I'm Pinche Bugsy. Need a weapon, boys. Alright, no car by the house. Roger that. He's gonna wipe the lobby, I have a feeling. It's gonna be a tough one, boys. Oh, nice. Good job. Is Jason around here? Do we have Tommy called? We do not. Oh, shit. That's on me. I gotta do it right now. I'm at the Tommy house, guys. I'm gonna try to get Tommy called real quick. Let's go, Bugsy. Come on. Channel your inner greatness.
Anyone out there?
There we go.
You have to come to Camp Crystal Lake and bring
Calling
a gun.
Tommy, boys.
Oh God, he's killing us! Please help us!
And called. What? What were you saying? Oh, okay. Tommy. Somebody called Tommy, Jason. It wasn't me, bro. I wouldn't rat on you. I wouldn't rat on you like that, bro. What do we got? We got. Oh, a little too late. A little too late for that, there, Bucko.
No.
Hey, what up, dude? What, the guy with the sack on his head? He seems pretty innocuous. Hey guys, I found something. I can't tell you exactly what it is. Yeah. But I'm not gonna do anything with it. I'm just gonna keep it so nobody uses it. I'm nice. I gave him the whirly dervish. I put the whirly dervish on him. I bamboozled him. I said no bamboozling. That's me bamboozling. I'm bamboozling. Guys, he's at the two-seater right now. He's at the two-seater right now. Watch out. He's over here. He's in these streets. It's part 2. Just in case y'all forgot. Tommy has already been called, so all good on that end. That's the hardest part with, like, when you don't have a lot of people playing, is just finding people, bro. Like when I'm Jason, it always takes me a while to find people. Do we have anything done? Okay, we have the gas done in one of the cars. That's nice. Good job. Oh, yeah. Jason's mid-map. Jason's mid-map. Do we know where the phone house is, guys? Oh, I got you. Oh, I got you. I think I'm right by it. I'll at least... I'll get him on me at least. I've been... Oh shit, this ain't it. It's gotta be this one. Yeah, it's this one. Never mind. Never mind, guys. He's here. Hey, what up, dude? Hey, man. I was, like I said, I was holding on to that so nobody else used it. Oh, man. Bro, Butterfingers, bro. That's why I play defense. How about some pot? Oh, I hit it right in the head, bro.
Fuck you.
Nice. Haha. Thanks for the save. Purple Fox. I know, right? I gotta get a better weapon. This thing is ass. Alright guys, he just left us. Fox, if you want to go get that, I'll tank the traps if you want to put the foam fuse in. I'll bring it to you. I'll bring it to you. Stay there. I don't have any first aid. That's the best I can do. Shit. He's here. Never mind. My bad. Ah! Oh, he was right behind me. Jason's over here mid-map at the phone fuse. Fox, come back. Come back. Put it in. Let's go. I don't have another. If I take one more hit, I'll be fucked. I'm gonna stand right by the phone and I'll call. Shit, he's back. Never mind. Oh no, Fox, no! No, don't you dare!
Damn it! Just die!
Spray yourself, Fox. He's on us, guys. He's on us over here, mid-map, Flat Rock. No, he got Fox, I think. Aw, man. Bro. Oh, we're all right here. This is dubious.
Why won't you fucking die?
We don't have any. I guess we do. We called Tommy, didn't we? Yeah, I called Tommy. I tried to intercept that for you.
Why won't you fucking
Go, go, go,
die?
go, go, go. Do it, do it. I'm blocking, I'm blocking. Here, give me the give me the axe. Oh, never mind. Alright, you're gonna have to hit him. Go, go, go.
Help me! Please!
All I can do is body block. No, Jason! No! No! He's killing us! We got it off! Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Are you still alive? Good. Alright, guys. Oh no, he's enraged though. I think we just bamboozled ourselves. That is true. Is his mask is still on though, right? Oh, what happened? Oh shit, I just realized something. Hold on. I'm gonna go try to do something, guys. I got you. Why? What did you do? Oh yeah, we were doing some tomfooleries.
Who is that?
I ain't gonna lie.
I can't look.
Come on, get in as soon as you can.
Okay, all set.
Alright,
Get outta
listen.
here.
I don't have a knife, so if he does stop the car, just take it, okay? I don't think I have a weapon either. If I do, I don't remember having it, basically. Yeah, we're trying. Yeah, I will. No worries. Is he on you though? I'm coming to you. Hurry! Hurry! Jason, no! Uncool, bro. Alright. Okay. Last game, guys. We're gonna try to get out of here. Sorry, Jason. GG's. Hey, bend it like Beckham. Let's go. GG's, y'all. GG's. Follow me on Twitch, EW Viper. 10% stuff coming on YouTube. That was my last game of the day, guys. I'll be on, like I said. We'll try to do. That was a GG's. GG's. Man, I thought you were gonna get us all with that phone. Jeez. All right, guys. No, go ahead. Oh, I can't.